Okay, a particle moves along a straight line. Time interval is 0 to 5. That's important. Whoa, that didn't work very good. All right. The time interval is 0 to 5. The velocity of the particle is given by this formula. That will definitely be important. The position is given by the symbol S. S of 0 is 10. Find out values in this interval. This is, again, where reading slow is so critical. They change the interval on you. We're now only 2 to 4, whereas originally they said 0 to 5, for which the speed of the particle is 2. So first thing I do is remember from the golden notes that speed is equal to the absolute value of the velocity. So I want to find out when the speed is 2. So in my calculator, I graph the velocity. That's here. I then graph the speed, which is right here. So in my graph, this blue on the graph, that's the velocity, and this was blue originally, so it was overwritten by the speed. Then the red on the graph, so again, look over here. So blue is my velocity, red is the speed. So my graph of speed is this red graph. I need to find out when the speed is equal to 2. So I graph here in green a value of 2. And then I get the window set up right. And then I find the intersections. So using my calculator, I'm able to answer the question. So I have to, since I'm using the calculator, I've got to tell the grader what I'm doing here. So I write down that speed is equal to the absolute value of the velocity, which is equal to 2 when t equals, using my calculator, I was able to determine the 2 times were 3.128. And t equal 3.473. This problem is worth 2 points. What you see, the calculator work you don't show, that's just what you do. What you see here in green, they give 1 point for telling the grader that you understand that you're looking for the absolute value. I left the bar off there. Where the absolute value of v is equal to 2. They're going to give you 1 point for that. And then they give a second point if you correctly find the 2 values. I do think they might be lenient if you found these 2 values and never said anything about the absolute value of v equaling 2. I think they'd give you the 2 points as well. So in this one, I think if you just find the 2 values, you'll get the 2 points.